Good morning, parents, teachers, and friends. Also, good morning to you, Keisha.
Hello, Alfaro. Good morning. Do you know why we are here today?
Oh, that's right. Do you think everybody knows why we're here today? Do you know why we're here?
Thank goodness everyone knows. We are here for the Grade 4 Learning Celebration, where we will present our learning beyond the classroom.
Cool. Before we start the celebration, let's welcome Efferly, who will lead us in prayer.
Teachers, parents, and friends, let's pray. Dear God, thank you for helping us learn and grow this year. We are grateful for our teachers, our families, and our friends. Thank you for all the fun we've had learning new things. Please bless us as we celebrate our achievements today. Help us to remember what we've learned and to keep learning and growing. Amen. Thank you, Everly. Please, everyone stand up for the Sakala Victory Plus pledge led by Canon.
FVP pledge. I pledge to be a champion, treating myself, each other, and the environment with respect. I will be courageous, honest, active, mindful, positive, innovative, open-minded, and noble.
Thank you, Canon. Next, we are going to hear an explanation about our unit by grade 4 students.
Everyone, please welcome Nagnat, Yuna, Yuan, Aldrich, Whitney, and Naomi.
Transdisciplinary team. An inquiry into understandings of the world and phenomena through patterns, cycles, systems, diverse practices, methods, and tools, discovery, design, innovation, possibilities, and impact.
Central idea. Technology helps simplify life. Technology makes life easier by automating tasks, providing access to information, facilitating communication, and offering entertainment. It can also improve efficiency, productivity, and convenience.
Lines of inquiry. Circumstances that lead to inventions. How technology changes. Responsibilities towards technological inventions.
The concepts are acquisitions, change, and responsibility. The related concepts are ingenuity, progress, and mobility.
The learner profile attributes are inquirers. They develop by inquiry and research. Relative. They critically explore significant concepts. Reflective. We carefully think about our own thoughts and experiences.
Approaches to learning and real skills. Self-management skills. We manage our work and time. Research skill. We search, evaluate, and use relevant information.
Thank you, friends. You are exceptionally amazing.
Next, we want to invite Dania, Reguel, Jain, Tiano, Ayane, and Keke to tell us about transdisciplinary learning.
Please welcome them with a round of applause.
In English, we write a correctly organized procedural piece describing how my own invention is made and used.
Dalam bahasa Indonesia, kami menulis teks prosedur kompleks mengenai cara atau langkah-langkah melakukan sesuatu atau menulis resep makanan.
In visual arts, we create inventor portraits demonstrating mastery of tools, materials, and processes.
In ICT, we create an e-journal about a chosen prototype of innovation. In PE, we learn that technology supports the development of basic motor skills to improve our athletics performances.
In performing arts, we learn how technology can simplify music composition using Chrome Music Lab Songmaker.
Now, are you ready for the real celebration? Let's invite Ari, Kevin, and Senna to tell us more about digital music. Digital music allows us to create, record, and play music using computers, apps, or other electronic devices. Instead of using traditional instruments like guitars or drums, digital music can be made with software, virtual instruments, and special effects. It allows musicians to edit, mix, and share their music easily using technology. We use Pro Music Lab Songmaker. This is a fun and easy online tool that allows you to create your own music by clicking on the grid. You can add different sounds, change instruments, and even record your own voice.
How to use Pro Music Lab. First, convert the score into pianica notes and place them in the first octave. Next, create the chords in the same octave. A chord consists of 3 notes played together. Then add the bass line to set the foundation and rhythm for your song. Finally, include a drum beat to make the song more dynamic and engaging. Now your song is ready to come to life.
Thank you, friends. Good job. Parents, we would like you to sing together with us. Please scan the QR code for the song list. Now, there will be some students from Core Salves to present their performing arts project. Please applaud their efforts.
Hello, parents, teachers, and friends. My name is Axel. My name is Lucas. And my name is Ben. Today we're going to explain how to make Song of Joy in Pro Music Lab. In Pro Music Lab, there are 3 different octaves. The first octave is for the bass, the second one is for the chords, and the third one is for the melody, which is the piano. The circles and triangles are the drum beats. The colorful blocks is the bass. The same colorful blocks is the chord. And the up and down blocks is the melody. The features are piano, which you could also change to other instruments. And you could also change the tempo to fast or slow. You could also save it as a link or an audio. Now, parents, teachers, and friends, let's try to sing it together. Are you ready, Pachempi?
Are you ready?
1, 2, 3, go! 3, 2, 1, and go. Mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, re, mi, re. Mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, re, mi, re, do. Mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, re, mi, re. Mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, re, mi, re, do. Let's try the fastest. Three, two, one, go. Mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, re, mi, re. Mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, re, mi, re, do. Mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, re, mi, re, do. Mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, re, mi, re, do. Thank you, parents, teachers, and friends for singing together with us. One, two, three.
Thank you for Celebes. Do you want to hear from other classes too? Let's invite 4 Andala students to present their performing arts project. Let's give them a round of applause.
Hello teachers, parents, and students. Today we're going to present our presentation about Pro Music Lab, but more specifically the song maker. In our performance arts lesson, we are learning about digital music and how to make it. Nicole will show us how to make it.
In the Pro Music Lab, there will be 3 octaves. On the 3rd octave, you have to put the bass. The 2nd octave, you have to put the chord. And the 1st octave is the melody. Yanara will tell us the features.
The features are that you can change the instruments for the drums, and you can make the tempo fast or slow, and in the settings you can split the beats and add more octaves. Now we are going to sing Let Me Grow. We're going to start with the slow version. 1, 2, 3.
Now we're going to sing slightly faster.
One, two, three. Do, mi, mi, fa, re, re. Do, mi, fa, sol, sol, sol. So, mi, mi, fa, re, re. Do, mi, sol, sol, do. Re, 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 mi.
going to sing the fastest one. One, two, three. So, mi, mi, fa, re, re, do, re, mi, fa, so, so, so. So, mi, mi, fa, re, re, do, mi, so, so, do. Re, 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 mi, fa. Mi, fa, so. So, mi, mi, fa, re, re, do, re, so, so, do. So, re, mi, do, re, do, re, mi, fa, so, so, so. So, mi, mi, fa, re, re, do, re, so, so, do. Re, 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 mi, fa. Mi, fa, so. So, mi, mi, fa, re, re, do, re, so, so, do. Thank you. Thank you, friends. And now, last but not least, please welcome grade 4 Borneo students with a clap. Hello teachers, parents, and students. Welcome to grade 4 Borneo's performance. In performance art lesson, we learn how to use digital music in Pro Music Lab Song Maker. My friend Aisha will explain how the octave works.
Thank you, Sam. The first octave is for the bass. The second octave is for the chords. The third octave is for the melody. Now, Mika will explain how we put them into the notes.
As Aisha explained about the octave, the highest melody, we need to put in the piano, and in the middle part, in the chords, we need to put a maximum of 3 blocks in total. Next, Tanisha will explain how we read and put the piano notes together.
How we read the notes is from top to bottom, while we put the piano notes is vertically. Next, my friend Yuno will explain about the feature.
The first feature from Pro Music Lab is you can change the instrument or drum beat and the tempo. Secondly, you can use microphone icon to record your voice. Finally, make sure you save link into audio file. Now let's sing together. Please sing with us, parents. The song is Skip to My Lou. Let's start with the slow tempo. 3, 2, 1. Mi, mi, do, do, mi, mi, sol. Re, re, si, si, re, re, fa. Mi, mi, do, do, mi, mi, sol. Re, fa, mi, re, do, do. Mi, mi, do, do, mi. Let's make the tempo faster. Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Mi, do, do, mi, mi, sol. Re, re, si, si, re, re, fa. Mi, mi, do, phone. Be ready. 3, 2, 1. Bibi do bibi song, re re fa. Bibi do bibi song, re fa mi re do do. Bibi do bibi song, re fa. Bibi do bibi song, re fa mi re do do. Wow, fantastic! Thank you.
Thank you, grade 4 students, for your excellent presentations. We are so happy to see our parents sing together.
Indeed, I think they can be a good choir. Now to all students, please get ready at your booth.
For all parents, we are going to share with you some guiding questions you can ask the students when you go around their booths.
We will be displaying the questions on the next slide, and you may capture them with your phone so that you have them ready as you visit the booth. Without further ado, please enjoy the expo.
Okay, now Richard is going to show the way he innovates his wheelchair. Thank you, Richard. Okay, now we will have for you Asta and Alvaro to show their innovation.
Your projects. What did you make? Well done. Good work.
Thank you, boys. Axelander and Yuna. So if you want to travel in the rain, you can buy this suitcase from Axelander. Now Lucas is going to show us his hat. So it's double hat actually. Okay, now Yuna. Oh, that's a nice way to walk in the rain without getting wet. Okay, get ready for the next one. They can wear during riding a bike. Oh, that's cool. Bona and Ayane are your innovation. Oh, Rebel too. Okay, please come on the stage, boys. And Yunu with his magical bell. Oh, that's a very nice hat to bring drinks. Okay, Whitney and Dania. Okay, now we would like to call Ruti and Amisha. Okay, now we would like to have Gwen and Ayane. Walk slowly, girls. Now George and Sena. And last but not least, Ben and Oliver. Asia. With the home appliances category. Kerala. Next up, Canon and Kevin. Next is Bona and Satya. Next up, Eldair and Naomi. Next to show us their innovation, Nikki and Nana. Don't walk too fast. Nice. Enjoy your time. Okay, next up, Ruth and Nicole. Please welcome Ayane and Nana. Next up, KK and Zoe. Next up, Anara and Romelio. Grade 4 Borneo, you can line up behind Grade 4 Andalas, get ready with your innovation project. Okay, the last students from Grade 4 Andalas, Adi and Fahe. Coming up next, Darren and Ozzy. Okay, the next one, the flashlight team. Doyul, Alvaro, and Adiasta. Please welcome next to the stage, Mika and Hayo. Next up, Yunu and Oliver. Coming to the stage, Keanu and Ben. Showing their innovation. Hero and Max. Take your time. It's okay, Max. You can go first. Hero will come to you later. Okay. Please welcome Max and Hero. Next up is Candice and Jay. Okay, now from the shot team, Keisha, Danisha, and Aisha. Get ready for Celebes. You can line up here. Please take your innovation project with you.
We will the cooling jacket and we will locate the jacket and contact with it. Some level here. Now we have We'll innovate the mob sandal and the wiper glasses. Nama innovate the cooling sock and Dania innovate the mob sandal. Now we have Amisha and Ruchi. Please, Amisha innovate the spray for hair and Ruchi innovate the clean braids. Now please Richard and Axel. Axel innovate the light, small light to read, and also the bell wheelchair. Okay, now please welcome Axelander, the luggage bro. And now we have Lucas, Mikhail, and Nia. Lucas innovate the art hat, Nia innovate the school hat, and Mikhail also has a school hat that can provide people with hand sanitizer and also mask. Next one we have Senna. With Senna and George, Senna innovate the drinking bottle with timer, so it can remind Senna to drink. And George innovate the cooling fan tray to cooling this noodle. Next we have Yuna, the umbrella to protect her head and also body. And the last one we have Evelyn. Evelyn innovate the